We guide you through how to upload a PDF to Google Docs so you can view and edit it easily. First thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Google Drive, then sign in to your Google account. Click the New button, select File Upload, and choose the PDF file from your device to upload it to Drive. Once the upload is complete, right-click the PDF, however, over Open with, and select Google Docs. Google Docs will automatically convert the PDF into an editable document. Keep in mind that formatting like image, tables, or font may change slightly during conversions. After opening, you can edit the text, add comments, or share the documents just like any other Google Docs. This is a quick and free way to work with PDF content directly inside the Google Docs.